Biggest aircraft producing countries in the world. Number 1. United States produced 768 in 2020. Number 2. China produced 368 airplane in 2020. Number 3. Russia produced airplane 171 in 2020. Number 4. Canada produced airplane 114 in 2020. Number 5. United Kingdom produced airplane 89 in 2020. Top 10 car producing countries in world 2024. Number 1. China 27 million. Number 2. United States 10.1 million. Number 3. Japan 7.8 million. Number 4. India 5.5 million. Number 5. South Korea 3.8 million. Number 6. Germany 3.7 million. Number 7. Morocco 3.5 million. Number 8. Brazil 2.4 million. Number 9. Spain 2.2 million. Number 10. Thailand 1.9 million.